Okay, I'm very, very sorry, guys. I totally forgot what I was going to do in the last video. And yes, I know my bedroom is a mess. And I really had to get everything off to have a clean bed for all of my fidgets. Yeah, I hate this part, and I love this part. It's so clean. Why did I just walk up here and knew what I was going to trade? And it was right here. Sorry, guys, I dropped my phone. Alright. Skidoo. I need to put my phone down. Open this. Hold on. There we go. Ooh. Some slime. I call this slime cotton candy because it's like literally cotton candy. Put it back. Come on, get in there. Well, it's because my brother had to get like a hammer and bash this open because the lid wouldn't come off. So let's try scamming some little girls like me. Trading ultra legendary slime. Going once, going twice. Oh, let's also mention that it's really expensive. If any Spanish kids wants to hear this, uno, dos, tres. Me. Did you say one, going once, going twice, going 3 times? Well, yes. I just did it in Spanish to make sure nobody was Spanish and they wanted to trade with me and they didn't know what I was saying. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Okay, now that this is done, if you saw my notification, I'm so sorry. I will replay this video before I upload it to make sure the notification did not pop up. Alright, trading legendary slime, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. Jeez. Wow. You don't have to be that. Yes I do. Let me offer. Okay. What's your offer? I offer this mochi. What? No. I said this is legendary. No. Add. Now. Okay. This is like my very last offer. A circle puppet. My mom is like screaming, singing. Meh. Outside. By the way, guys, this is a really good puppet. Should I sing the fidget song? I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode over you. Let's sing the other song. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And if you don't let me fidget, I'll be really mad at you. I like the other one better. It's your opinion, but I like the other one. Hey, can this work? Hey, this could work. Okay, this can work. Take me back. So, my mom just got me into singing real quick. Alright, I'll add this teal puppet. Nope, this rainbow circle puppet, this pizza squishy, this ultra legendary, super expensive, really hard to find starfish mochi, and this mochi, and also I'm going to add a little extra just in case you say no. I'm going to add this mochi and this balloony pet frog. Just for the slime, and I really like it. I guess I'll do it. Hot loser, no trade backs. That was not rare. What? I just got scammed. But don't worry, the slime's really good. Oh, then it's not really a scam. Well, yeah. So, bye guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I uploaded a video not too long ago, just like 5 seconds ago. I need to upload every single day. I'm like really clumsy with uploading videos. So, bye. Hold on. ASMR before I leave. The sound comes from the bottom, right? There you go. Bye. Peace. See you later. Bye-bye.